Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here. Who doesn't want to know how to find those top quality blue chip ASX stocks where dividends are on offer and franking credits? It's a difficult prospect if you're new to investing. How do you find those stocks? And even seasoned investors sometimes will struggle to find the best dividend payers out there, the big blue chips that pay the best dividends along with full franking credits. Before we get going here, let's note our disclaimer statement here. Please note our license numbers. In addition, please note general advice only. I cannot take into account your personal financial circumstances. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. With that said, I'm going to cut straight to the chase. In VectorVest, we have this powerful search, growth and income investor - blue chip dividends. And so what the search has been designed to do is to find the best blue chip stocks out there that are paying steady, reliable dividends along with some good franking credits on offer. And so I'm not going to spend time going through all this. If you take it a trial of VectorVest, you can certainly work out exactly what's on offer here. But suffice this to say, dividend yields of 3% or better. We have this indicator called dividend safety on a scale of 0 to 99. So a safety score of 50 or better in Australia gives you a very good chance of getting those dividends, if not getting better dividends. And we're also looking for those dividend stocks to be increasing their dividends by 10% or more. That's the outlook. A lot of times investors will buy into a company looking at a 3% dividend yield, saying, great. No sooner have they bought the stock, then all of a sudden it's like, oh no, it's now on track to only pay out 2% dividends. And one of the reasons being they didn't look at the outlook for the dividends. So if we're going to buy a 3% or higher dividend yielding stock, we need to make sure that the safety score is nice and strong, that we stand a good chance of getting those dividends. We also need to make sure that the company is looking to continue to grow its dividend payments. And without further ado, a lot of other checks and balances in this powerful search here, looking for top fundamental and technical parameters. I'm going to run the search and I'm just going to return the top 5. All right, I'm just going to show you how they look on a graph. So let's load this up here. All right, so this is our share price for QBE, for example, here. So I'll just pull it back a tad. Very nice, up it goes. EPS, this is our 12-month leading forecast on earnings. So what we've seen over the years, companies that are growing their earnings, the share price goes up. As companies grow their earnings, share price goes up. This is a 12-month leading forecast on earnings. So it uses historic earnings, current earnings, and then builds in the forecast. And what's interesting here with this company here, not only is the price going up along with earnings, but the dividend yield is very strong at 3.71. So good dividends. And on offer here, those dividends are 20% franked. They're not fully franked, but they're 20% franked. So it'll push that yield up just a little bit higher thanks to the franking credits. Let's look at the next one here. IAG, brilliant. Up go the earnings, up goes the share price. Look at the dividend yield on offer, 3.3. And this one here is 60% for the interim franking credits and 50% for the final franking credits. So a good bit of franking credits on offer there. Let's go to the next one here. Now, this one's interesting. Fully franked. So you're going to get the full benefits of franking credits here. 3.12 currently. Earnings are going up. Share price is going up. The yield at 3.12, plus you're going to get those full imputation credits on offer. That's the power of VectorVest. So in the VectorVest system, we have these wonderful searches. One such search that I covered today, it was this one here, growth and income investor - blue chip dividends. So if you're struggling for dividend ideas, why not check out the growth and income investor - blue chip dividend payer search. Take it a trial to VectorVest, trial it out for yourself, see what you think. The power of VectorVest there for you. Hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.